A tight-knit Clare community has been left in shock after a suspected murder-attempted suicide tragedy has claimed the life of a young mother and her 2 children. The tragedy in Fermanagh is now the focus of a major PSNI probe after the death of Vanessa White and her 2 children. Vanessa is a native of Barefield on the outskirts of Ennis, and locals in this tight-knit community are reeling from the news of her death. Tributes to her have been paid by Sculwera, where she attended as a secondary school student between 1993 and 1998, as well as from UCD, where she studied veterinary, graduating in 2003. A lifelong Gaelic Games fan, Vanessa has also been paid tribute to by members of Clare County Council, locals in Barefield, as well as the Barefield club that she has supported all her life, as well as Clare hurling, proudly attending various Munster final victories by the Banner County, as well as their recent All-Ireland triumphs.